Okay, you got it? You recording? Okay.
You sure you didn't do what I did and not record?
No, it's showing the time.
Okay, so we decided to stay on a boat to go see the Miami Boat Show to
Motor yacht.
a motor yacht. So we decided we wanted the experience and we want to be a liveaboard couple in the future. And what better way to experience the life than staying on a boat over the weekend?
It's been interesting.
But we went to the Miami Sailboat Show, the Miami Boat Show, International Boat Show, and we saw a lot of cool YouTubers and saw a lot of cool things. And yeah,
Outfit your boat with.
yes. So we're going to get right into that right after this intro. So y'all stay tuned. So, about our boat adventure, well, what do you have to say about staying on a boat over a couple nights?
I'm not. There's slapping. I couldn't sleep for 2 days. I mean, oh my goodness, I am definitely a land lover right now. But I can get used to it. Once I changed directions of where my head was, then I was fine. But my goodness, the slapping up the water. But we're in a marina, so that's probably one of the things of why you hear so much of that.
And we're in a monohull, so we were staying at the front of the boat. Our boys stayed at the back of the boat. And the back of the boat, they didn't hear, it was a lot quieter.
We didn't realize that was the...
that was the quiet zone.
That was the captain's head. The captain's... Whatever, I can't even think anymore.
Yeah. So, and then, cooking on a boat. This right here is galley down. So, she wants in her boat galley up on the...
must have.
Yes.
I'm not going to settle for going down into a... Nope. Can't.
So, we're going to look for a boat with galley up. Of course, the master cabin has a bigger bathroom. Our bathroom was very small. It was a dry head, very small. So know that we probably need...
It's snug in the shower. I felt really safe in there.
Yeah. You just had the wall and you're against the
and
door. And yeah, it was a tight space. But we did it. We persevered.
I'm looking forward to getting back to my real bathroom in my house.
And yeah, it was, but the experience of this boat was a lot of fun, and it helped us better understand what it's like to stay on the boat. I was really worried about motion sickness and being sick the whole time. I've got water dripping on my head, but I was worried about motion sickness, being sick all the time, and that wasn't a problem for me. And the boat with all these winds and we had storms. It was rocking.
Yeah. It was.
So, good there. She was also worried about that. She says, I do not want to be on the boat sailing alone because you're over there sick.
I don't get sick on boats, never have, but he does. So, I was a little worried that I'm going to be the solo captain.
So,
but this by far does not give us any kind of reference to what it's really going to be like when we start sailing. This is just giving us a little taste of what it's kind of like being on a boat, which is really not convenient. But if you want the life, you're going to spend most of it outside anyway. So
we still want the adventure. We still love to stay here. And now the Miami Boat Show. Well, we saw a lot of cool products, like we're changing focus. Good? Okay. So we saw a lot of cool products. We were looking at energy efficient fridges. We saw these amazing fridges down here at the boat show from that company. What's your company's name, sir?
Liveaboard Marine.
Yes, but they are very energy efficient. We're talking this unit down here. You're talking 300 watts per day. You could generate that off one solar panel for an hour and then have all that power for other things.
Now this will be my game.
Refrigerators. And we look at heads, and we look at water makers. Anchors. She's really, it has to have a good anchor. Okay, we're over here looking at anchors, and we were looking at the rock anchor, but we just played around with this one in the sand pit. It doesn't. It always sticks.
They say they have, what's it? Unlimited warranty? No, I'm kidding. No, I won't say that.
Good anchor, or she does not want to be adrift while we're sleeping.
Oh, that scares me.
So
I've been like, is the boat still tied up? Are we drifting? Because we're moving.
And you can also use anchor alarms, so you can set your boundaries. So when you are anchored, and so that was really cool. We also met some cool sailing channels, but I'm wearing one of the shirts right now.
Yeah.
And
if you know who that is, then you know.
But they were, everybody there was so nice, and it was nice to see and talk to these people off YouTube. And
yes, they're actually real people.
Yeah, they're not movie stars.
No, we're all regular people.
Oh, and then we actually got recognized by a few people there.
That was strange.
Yeah, it was for our Jeep videos and things like that, and it was like, that was weird. But which we did release a few Jeep videos if you're into Jeeping and not boating.
Right. We're still land lovers.
We are. We still live in the house and living the American dream until we're not.
Right.
Made it to the boat show.
That was a nightmare.
Uber, taxi, bus. Yeah. Nightmare. That is a hell of a dinghy.
Found it. I think this will fit on the back of our 38, 40-foot catamaran.
Yeah, that's what, 20 foot dinghy?
That scares me. But I think this would be too heavy to put on a package, right?
Right. What do you think of that boat, babe? Get two of them?
Is that the one we were just looking at?
No, that's huge. That's an 80-foot sunreef. Had an array of large outboard engines in here. Yeah. Okay, guys, so we're on the water taxi. We're heading back from the boat show. Okay, guys, so if you found this interesting and you want to follow us on our dream, because our dream is to break away from the real world and be nomadic people off the grid. That is our dream. So that
A little scary. Fun too.
Hit that like button and subscribe. If you're looking for great eats, good recipes, we're still cooking. So
We're still land lovers.
So we still have great recipes coming out every week, developed by this lovely lady right here, my wife. And y'all, please take care.